Are you looking to build your business credit like a boss? Well, you're in luck. I've created this awesome ebook where you can learn how to build business credit and get over $500,000 in business funding. It's on sale right now, $40 on sale. Original price is $125. I am giving you guys this at a highly discounted price, but only 100 copies will be sold at this price. Click the link in the description below or in the pinned comments. You are already a boss, so why not get that business credit like a boss? Hey credit cousins, before you watch this video, make sure you click the link in the bio and also in the pinned comments to join this amazing group that I have created for you guys. It is a group that we can talk about almost everything you want to talk about, from Navy Federal, investing, how to build business credit, how to build credit, how to repair your credit, and so much more. Click the link in the bio and enter your name and email address, and watch out for an invite via email. So hurry, don't forget to sign up. Hi everyone, it's your girl designer Soapbox, and I am back with another video. So in today's video, we're going to talk about PENFED. So let's dive right in. Let's learn about the PENFED hack and how you can get approved for any credit card. First, let's just talk about how to become a member. If you already don't know, if this is your first time on this channel in reviewing this video. So how to become a member? First, you will need to go to penfed.org and it'll ask you for your eligibility. Just follow the prompts on the application and then fill out your personal information when you press the join to become a member button. Then they will ask you to fund your account. And when you open a credit union account, you're basically funding your ownership in that credit union. So the minimum deposit for a PENFED share account is $5. And then make sure you double check all your information and submit your application. You'll then get a confirmation right away. After that, they'll email you your further instructions by logging into your account, where you can see what they offer as well as loans and credit cards. So that is how you become a member. It's very easy and it's really quick to do. You can also do this by phone, which is also quick to do. If you don't have a computer or don't want to do it online, you can also give PENFED a call. So PENFED credit card details. So when you open an account with PENFED, your Equifax credit report is pulled. Now, this is an ongoing conversation. For example, when I joined PENFED, my credit report wasn't pulled, but others that have been recently commented on my other PENFED videos mentioned that their Equifax has been pulled. So for the sake of this video, just be aware that your Equifax can be pulled when you open up a account with PENFED, but you can also always ask the rep and see if anything changes, because things change every day, okay? But the good thing about it is that if you're planning on applying for a credit card, you can use that same hard pull for 90 days for lending decisions. So you can apply for all types of credit they offer within 90 days without a second inquiry performed on your credit report. So this is good to know, especially before opening an account with them and your Equifax is getting pulled. You basically want to have a backup plan and know exactly how to tackle it. So let's just dive right in on what we all came here for. How to get approved, okay, for any credit card. So always apply by phone for products with PENFED, and this is the reason why I'm going to basically give you the hack on why you should apply for PENFED only by phone, okay? I know I have a late night hack with Navy Federal, but this isn't Navy Federal, this is PENFED. So here's why. A few reasons is, first, when you apply for a product online, there is an automated credit screening that is programmed to look for certain things, whether it's charge-offs, collections, high utilization, etc. This system reads your credit report and either gives you a flat-out denial or a flat-out approval. It's because if you are denied, you'll basically get a generic reason, like charge-offs, collections, and too many revolving accounts. So here's why you should apply by phone. So here's the hack. So when you apply by phone, although the customer service rep you speak with is using the same system that would be used if you applied online, if you are denied, you can ask to be connected to a loan officer and explain your situation. Many times the loan officer can push through and override your application that was previously denied, and or inform you what you do qualify for and what you may need to have removed for your credit report in order to qualify for the product you were previously looking for originally on your credit card application. So that's basically the hack on how you can get approved for a credit card. It may not be the credit card you're looking for, but you are approved. So make sure you apply it by phone, and if you are denied, ask for the loan officer so they could push you through, review your application, and basically let you know what you do qualify for, and then let them know, hey, okay, I'll take that. So hope this is beneficial to you guys. Hey, have you heard about the Charge Off and Collection Express Removal Guide that I have available? A step-by-step guide to remove negative charge-offs and collections from your credit report rapidly. These steps are easy and you don't need a credit repair company to do this. It's all step-by-step that you can do on your own. Check it out. It's 50% off right now. You don't want to miss out at designersoapbox.com, or you can check the pinned comment or link in the description below to find that link. Make sure you check it out. It's 50% off right now, guys. Don't miss out. Hurry, hurry. Hi everyone, this is Designer Soapbox. I just wanted to make this video to guys let you know that I am having a 50% off sale for 72 hours. Yes, a 50% off sale on the 24-hour express inquiry removal guide and also the late payment removal guide. So just head down to the description or to the pinned comments and click the link and get your 50% off. Remember, this inquiry removal will help you remove hard inquiries from your credit report within 24 hours. And then the late payment guide will help you remove your late payments very fast, super fast actually. If you're tired of disputing your late payments, waiting 30 to 45 days, this is a quicker method of getting these late payments removed. So if you guys enjoyed a lot of my content, I talk about this in my videos. However, I have this in an ebook. I'm doing 50% off for you guys. If you missed the 60% off sale, I'm doing one for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. One for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Don't forget to add me on Instagram at Designer Soapbox. And don't forget to check out those ebooks that we got on sale, honey, at designersoapbox.com, where you remove your hard inquiries, late payments, collections, and more. So make sure you check that out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget, guys, I love you all. Bye.